guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show this sky blue glittery eye makeup tutorial, the full glam look. So if you want to know that, then keep on watching, and also if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And without further ado, let's get started. So first I'm gonna do my eyes, and then I'm gonna do my base. For my brows, I'm gonna use this Flower Beauty Draw the Line eyebrow pencil. Using this, I'm gonna quickly fill my brows. Well, brows are done. Next I'm gonna move into my face. So I'm gonna use this foundation. This is the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation in the shade Warm Sand 6.5. So this is a little bit darker than my skin tone, as you can see the bottle. So it is going to even cover all the dark spots I have. Okay, the foundation is quite darker than my skin tone, but I'm going to use concealer. I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. After that, I'm going to use a highlighting concealer. So I'm going to use this NYX HD Studio Photogenic concealer, and it is in the shade Nude Beige. It is quite lighter than my skin tone. So I'm going to use this on all the areas I like to do highlighting. Next, taking a concealer brush, I'm trying to blend everything. Next, taking the foundation brush, I'm trying to blend the edges so that it does not look harsh. Well, it looks like this. Next, I'm going to contour my face. So to add some shadow to my face, I'm going to use this Fast Face foundation, and it is in the shade F15. It has a little bit of cool tone in it, so it is going to add shadow. And taking the foundation brush, I'm gonna blend it. Now next, taking the PAC Cosmetics High Definition Powder, I'm gonna bake my under eyes, and I'm gonna put excess of powder under my eyes. Next, I'm gonna go for my eye makeup. I am so much influenced by these blue nails and blue dress, so I'm gonna do something blue. So I'm gonna use this Morphe 39A eyeshadow palette. So it has a very beautiful blue here, which is quite matching to my dress and nail. So I'm gonna use this. So first I'm gonna take the shade, all this 3-4 shade, to define my crease. So I've used these 2 shades. Now I'm going to use this shade to deepen up my crease. Once I have put the browns, I'm gonna put on the blues. Next, I'm gonna use this Faces Canada Ultime Pro eyeshadow in the shade Last Christmas. This is a greenish blue shade. So I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna make the base for the blue. So I'm gonna apply this in the inner third of my eyelid. On top of it, I'm gonna put the sky blue shade, this one, before it dries, like this. Next, I'm going to take the brown shades that I have used earlier also, and try to blend the edges. Same thing I'm gonna do for my other eye. Next I'm gonna take this liquid eyeliner from Coloressence to add some glittery. So these are very inexpensive and they are very good in quality. Like this, you can see the difference between this eye and this eye, other eye, and it is in this one is in the shade silver. After that, I'm taking a fluffy brush and pat that glitter. Well, my eye makeup is almost done. Next, I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line using the same previous shades that I've used. And also I'm gonna kind of connect my upper and lower lash line. Well, next I'm gonna remove my baking using a fluffy brush, and this is going to remove all the excess, all the fallout I'm having. Next I'm going to put some lashes, the PAC M75 lashes. Well, my eye makeup is done. I have put some kajal, lashes and mascara. Next I'm gonna move into my face. So I'm gonna use this Bobbi brown bronzer in the shade medium 02, and I'm gonna bronze my face. Also using the same powder, I'm gonna contour my nose. Next I'm gonna take this NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. This is a blush palette. I'm taking this corally shade. I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks.
Would you do anything for me, even though you wouldn't do it for a reason?
Next I'm going to take this Cover FX Custom Enhancer in the shade Sunlight, and this liquid highlighter I'm gonna add it on the highest points of my cheeks. Next, taking this yellow banana powder from Crayon, I'm going to highlight my face, mostly the center portion of my face. Next, for lips, I'm going to use this Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Diamond. So this shade is not too much nude, so I'm going to take some concealer and apply it on the center portion of my lips. Next I'm gonna use this Maybelline Baby Lip and I'm gonna put it as a gloss. So this is the finished look. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.